Welcome. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of breathwork and how you can use it to lower your heart rate in just 30 seconds. Whether you're feeling anxious, stressed, or simply want to calm your body quickly, breathwork is a simple yet effective tool. In this video, we'll explore what breathwork is, why it works, and guide you step by step through a quick routine you can use anytime, anywhere. Let's start by understanding the basics of breathwork and its impact on your body and mind. Breathwork refers to a variety of breathing techniques that intentionally change your breathing pattern. These techniques are designed to help you manage stress, improve focus, and regulate your emotions. By controlling your breath, you can directly influence your nervous system, leading to a calmer state and a slower heart rate. Breathwork is easy to learn, requires no special equipment, and can be practiced by anyone, anywhere. Let's look at how breathwork interacts with your body's natural systems. When you practice breathwork, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and relaxation. This system helps slow your heart rate, lower blood pressure, and reduce stress hormones in your body. By focusing on slow, deep breaths, you send a signal to your brain that it's safe to relax. This is why breathwork is so effective for calming your mind and body quickly. Next, let's see how your heart rate responds to stress and how breathwork can counteract it. When you're stressed or anxious, your body's fight-or-flight response kicks in. This causes your heart rate to speed up, preparing you to react to perceived danger. While this response is helpful in emergencies, it can be uncomfortable or even harmful if it happens too often. Breathwork offers a quick and natural way to reverse this response, bringing your heart rate back down and helping you feel more at ease. Let's explore how you can use breathwork to take control of your heart rate. You might wonder, can breathwork really lower your heart rate in just 30 seconds? The answer is yes. Research shows that even a short period of focused breathing can have a measurable impact on your heart rate and stress levels. The key is to use the right technique and stay present in the moment. In the next scenes, we'll walk through a simple breathwork exercise you can use whenever you need to calm down quickly. Before you begin, find a comfortable place to sit or stand. Make sure your back is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. You don't need any special equipment, just yourself and a willingness to focus on your breath. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling right now. Is your heart beating quickly? Are you feeling tense? This awareness will help you notice the changes after the exercise. Let's begin the breathwork exercise. First, inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. As you breathe in, feel your belly expand and your chest rise. Try to keep your shoulders relaxed and focus on the sensation of the air entering your body. This slow, deep inhale helps fill your lungs completely and prepares your body for relaxation. After your slow inhale, gently hold your breath for a count of 4. This pause allows oxygen to circulate through your body and gives your mind a moment to focus. Holding your breath is a key part of many breathwork techniques, helping to deepen the relaxation response. Keep your body relaxed and avoid tensing up during the hold. Now exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. As you breathe out, imagine letting go of any tension or stress. Feel your body relax with each breath. The longer exhale helps activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming your body. Try to make your exhales smooth and steady. Repeat this cycle. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6, for about 30 seconds. You'll likely notice your heart rate beginning to slow and your body feeling more relaxed. This simple pattern is easy to remember and can be used whenever you need a quick reset. Let's discuss why this specific timing is so effective. The 4-4-6 breathing pattern works because it balances oxygen and carbon dioxide in your body, while the longer exhale signals your nervous system to relax. This combination helps lower your heart rate quickly and efficiently. The pause after inhaling gives your body a moment to adjust, and the slow exhale maximizes the calming effect. Let's visualize how this process affects your heart rate. Imagine your heart rate as a line on a graph. At the start, it may be elevated due to stress or anxiety. As you practice the 4-4-6 breathing pattern, the line begins to slope downward, indicating a slower, steadier heart rate. This visual can help reinforce the effectiveness of breathwork and motivate you to use it regularly. When practicing breathwork, it's important not to rush or force your breath. Avoid shallow breathing or holding your breath too long, as this can cause discomfort or dizziness. Focus on smooth, controlled breaths and listen to your body. If you feel lightheaded, return to your normal breathing and try again later. Consistency is key for best results. Breathwork can be used anytime you feel your heart racing or stress building up. It's especially helpful before important meetings, exams, or public speaking. You can also use it to wind down before bed or after a workout. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to calm yourself quickly in any situation. Lowering your heart rate is just one benefit of breathwork. Regular practice can also improve your focus, boost your mood, and help you manage anxiety. Some people find that breathwork helps them sleep better or recover faster from stressful events. It's a versatile tool for overall well-being. If you struggle with anxiety, breathwork can be a valuable coping strategy. By focusing on your breath, you shift your attention away from anxious thoughts and into the present moment. This helps break the cycle of worry and brings a sense of control. Even just 30 seconds can make a noticeable difference. Need to concentrate before a big task? Breathwork can help clear your mind and sharpen your focus. By slowing your heart rate and calming your nerves, you create the ideal mental state for productivity. Try a quick 30-second session before starting work or studying to boost your performance. Struggling to fall asleep? Breathwork can help you relax and prepare your body for rest. The slow, rhythmic breathing calms your nervous system and signals to your brain that it's time to wind down. Practice the 4-4-6 pattern as you lie in bed to ease into a peaceful sleep. After intense exercise or a stressful event, your heart rate may remain elevated. Breathwork can speed up your recovery by helping your body return to a calm state. Just a few cycles of deep, controlled breathing can make a big difference in how quickly you feel normal again. Incorporating breathwork into your daily routine can help you stay calm and centered, no matter what life throws your way. Try practicing for 30 seconds in the morning, during breaks, or whenever you need a mental reset. Over time, you'll notice it becomes second nature. Breathwork is closely linked to mindfulness, the practice of being present in the moment. By focusing on your breath, you anchor your awareness and let go of distractions. This combination can enhance your sense of peace and help you respond to challenges with greater clarity. If you're new to breathwork, start with short sessions and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. Remember, it's normal to feel a little awkward at first. With practice, you'll find it easier to control your breath and achieve a calm state quickly. Once you're comfortable with basic breathwork, you can explore advanced techniques like box breathing, alternate nostril breathing, or diaphragmatic breathing. Each method offers unique benefits and can be tailored to your specific needs. Experiment to find what works best for you. You don't need to be alone to practice breathwork. It can be done discreetly in public places like offices, classrooms, or public transport. Simply focus on your breath and follow the 4-4-6 pattern without drawing attention. It's a private tool you can use anytime. Breathwork isn't just for adults. Kids can benefit too. Teaching children simple breathing exercises can help them manage emotions, focus in school, and handle stress. Make it fun by using games or visualizations, like pretending to blow up a balloon with each breath. There are many apps and devices available to guide your breathwork practice. Some offer visual cues, timers, or even track your heart rate in real time. Technology can be a helpful companion as you build your breathwork habit and monitor your progress. Breathwork is often used as a foundation for meditation. By calming your breath, you prepare your mind for deeper relaxation and introspection. Try starting your meditation sessions with a few cycles of 4-4-6 breathing to set the tone for a peaceful experience. Athletes use breathwork to improve performance, speed recovery, and manage competition nerves. Controlled breathing helps maintain focus and composure under pressure. Whether you're a professional or just enjoy sports, breathwork can give you an edge. People with chronic health conditions, such as high blood pressure or anxiety disorders, may find breathwork especially helpful. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new practice, but know that breathwork is generally safe and can complement other treatments. To get the most benefit, make breathwork a regular part of your routine. Set reminders, pair it with daily activities, or practice at set times each day. Over time, you'll find it easier to calm your heart rate and manage stress, no matter what comes your way.